Wyoming vacation home sits on a great site. So can you tell me a little bit about the landscape and how you wanted the house to respond to it?
Well, the landscape, it sits on a butte, sort of above Jackson, and with views of sort of all the mountains around. And essentially the land is more or less flat because you're sort of high up on this butte. And then there's a little bit of tree cover, a forested area with aspen trees, sort of just to the south of the house or to the back of the house, and then the rest of the lot area, and which is really sort of in the area of the primary views as well, is sort of just low grasses and sort of natural rolling countryside. And so we responded really to the site that we backed the house up to the trees, and then it sort of opens out onto this sort of grassy meadow. And then as you actually come to the house, you're really sort of the back of the house, or the entry of the house, is sort of the transition between this sort of grassy plain and the woods of the grove of aspen trees.
So you've used a post and beam construction in the house. What were the advantages of doing that?
Well, it provided a way to open up the whole pavilion. I mean, the idea was really to sort of create this sort of living pavilion, and then have adjacent to that have sort of two smaller pavilions that house bedrooms. But the idea with the post and beam then was that it allowed us to basically open up the whole living space to the views, which are literally 360 degrees around the house. So it was a nice way to create this sort of glassy imagery, but also open the whole house up.